Okay, you guys can. You're not ready.
No, it's okay. Ready, set, go.
No, this is gonna be heavy.
No, you want some? There you go, right here, right here.
Watch out.
Right here. Oh, pick him up.
Oh, yeah, let's turn.
Let him pick you up.
There you go. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3.
Magic! I think I saw the turn. Uncle CJ!
1, 2, 3.
Okay?
What did I do?
Hey, y'all gonna break your hands.
Oh, I know what y'all doing. Kinetic energy with the osmosis. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna break the chair.
Hey, do Uncle. My turn, my turn. You already did it.
Hey, legs, try on it.
Next.
So they can pick us me.
Yeah.
Hey.
Try Isaac then. Do Isaac. Do Isaac.
See how cool it is.
It's hella cool. I'm telling you, it's like some Chris Angel crap. You're too light.
It's you!
They can lift you up.
Hey, move. Let me see.
Wait, I want to go. Wait, I want to go to training. Go like this. My turn. I put it under his knee.
Like this.
Put it my turn. And then pick it up. Okay. But are you recording this?
Yes.
You too. Then right hand. Like
I got you. Hey, my face kidnapped.
okay. You too. Okay, ready? Try. You guys scoot back. Okay, ready?
Scoot down.
We can look from far away.
He's heavy!
Wait.
Move! I can't see it!
You're going to lift him. Wait.
Joshua, can you move?
Hey, you guys scoot back.
Scoot back, I can't see anything!
Oh!
Right back.
Are you guys picking up the chair?
Hey, you. Hey, goes the tray.
Got the chair.
Go right here.
Come.
Again.
Come.
Go, left hand.
This is awesome.
It's really not a magic trick.
Okay, ready? Set.
Look how light he is.
Oh!